Very good morning. So we were discussing about software as services. In the previous class, I discussed about what is software as service, what are its advantages, what are the limitations under software as service. Then we have discussed about what type of actually the things which are forcing towards the software as service because of its popularity. You can say the virtualization benefits, and then the service oriented architectures which are been provided. So because of all these things, people started using the software as service. So today we will discuss about what type of offerings, the different offerings from different companies which are actually providing this software online. So we have plenty of providers who are providing softwares for us, but to discuss few here, we'll discuss about what is Google is doing, what is Microsoft is doing, what is IBM is doing, and what and another company, the Intuit, which is actually providing you the software solutions. So first, if we talk about the Intuit, it is providing QuickBooks. QuickBooks is actually an application which is based for tracking the business accounting. So the main purpose of Intuit is to provide accounting, means the software for business accounting. Then when with the addition of QuickBooks Online, accounting has been moved towards the cloud. So you can use the QuickBooks Online to maintain your business accounts on the cloud. So it allows the small businesses owners the ability to access their financial data, whether they are at work, at home, or on road, or from anywhere. Means from wherever possibility is there. If you are having an internet connection, any small business who is actually maintaining their business data on the QuickBooks, the Intuit QuickBooks, they can access their accounting information online. And it is actually providing you a high level of security because data is stored on the firewall protected servers and protected via automatic data backups. So you can feel secured because the data is protected on data is stored on a firewall protected systems, and the data is has automatic backups. And there is no need of to hassle with the technology because software updates are included with no extra charge. Means the software is updated time to time without any extra charge on the customer who is actually the one who is actually using this software. And also it is as it is growing, it actually offers QuickBooks Online Plus also offers advanced features which are such as automatic billing and time tracking. So what are the features which are included in this QuickBooks Online? So it has an ability to access from anywhere if you are having an internet connection 24 by 7 days a week. And it is having an automated online banking. So you can download your bank and credit card transactions automatically every night. So it is easy to keep the data up to date. Means what you can do, it has an automated online banking facility where your accounting transactions will be downloaded every night automatically. And it is having a reliable automatic backup because the financial data is automatically backed up every day and is stored in a firewall protected servers. And it is monitored, which are monitored to keep the critical business information safe and secure. So it is providing you an 128-bit secure socket layer encryption technology, facility where the financial data is backed up automatically every night. And you need to buy and install the software. Another very advantage here is if you're using on the PC, it is not necessary to install. It is not necessary to install the software whether on PC or any device. If you are having the internet connection through via browser, what you can do, you can easily access the information. And next, it has easy accounts receivable and accounts payable. Means accounts receivable and accounts payable information is also available for us. You can have the track. You can track about which customers has to pay us or from to whom we are supposed to pay. So we will receive the notifications. And at the same time, you can write and print the checks, enter information on on-screen check form and print the checks. So you have an online and you can have a printable checks provided on screen. You can just enter the information, then the prints you can take a printout of your check here. And also it supports the iPhone and BlackBerry capabilities also. At that time, you know that around 2005 and 2006, at that time we don't have these smartphones actually, but people use these iPhones and BlackBerry. So this Intuit actually offers you the support for this iPhones as well as BlackBerry. You can integrate with them. Okay, and you can have to see here, according to some analysis, around 130,000 small businesses can subscribe to QuickBook Online, can manage the business from anywhere. Okay, with or without using the computer also. And also available the intuitlabs.com. These iPhones and BlackBerry applications helps the QuickBooks Online users to get up-to-date view of their financial information. Means if you're accessing them via your BlackBerry devices or your iPhones, what you can do here is you can have an up-to-date information available on your mobiles, checking the current bank and credit card balances, tracking who owes the money to whom they owe, as I told you that whom we have to pay, and also who has to pay us, and finding the vendors and customers contact information with addresses via Google Maps. You can use, here it is using Google Maps, where you can find the vendor information as well as the customer contact information, and you can run the balance sheet and also the profit and loss reports. Okay, and then we have about the Google. Next, if we talk about the Google, so you're already much aware of Google, what actually Google is offering. So Google actually offers many Google apps and the Google Apps Premium Edition. This Premium Edition includes the hosted services for communication and collaboration designed for businesses of all sizes. So using this Premier Edition, what you can do, it includes the hosted services for communication collaboration design. Means you can maintain the communication as well as collaboration design. You can collaborate and you can work together. And this premium edition is available for $50 per account per year and includes phone support, additional storage, new set of administration. So it is launched around in 2006, and it is a suite of applications that includes Gmail web services, Google Calendar, Google Calendar shared calendaring, Google Talk instant messaging, voice over IP, and startup page features for creating customizable home page and specific home pages for specific domains. Means already see this particular application we are actually using. It is actually came into market in 2006, where it has a Google Gmail services which are available to us. We have a Google Calendar also. We have a Google Talk. Of course, it comes with some other name now. I think it is some what we call what it is called. Just I will tell you. It is called, I think, this Geo or something. With Geo, okay, where you can have this. I think Geo is for video callings. I'm sure, but you can have something. Google Talk is something like your WhatsApp, where you can send and receive the messages. And we have your voice over IP also, and startup page pages. You can create a startup page where we can have a startup page features for creating a customizable home page of specific domain. Okay, more than some 100,000 small businesses and hundreds of universities have started using this Google. Okay, so Google offers Google Docs and spreadsheets for all level of Google apps. So we know that about this Google app, it is having Google Docs and spreadsheets, where Google Docs is used for creating the documents, and spreadsheets are used for creating your information for all levels of Google apps. Okay, then Google Apps Premium Edition has the following unique features. It has per user storage of 10 GB. So it offers about 100 times storage of an average of corporate mailbox. Means at that time they used to offer 10 GB. Now you can observe that we are having accounts which offers minimum 15 GB of data where we can store. And it APIs, it has a different APIs, application program interfaces for business integration. So APIs for data migration, user provisioning, single sign on, and mail gateways enable businesses for further customization and customized services for unique environment. So you can have the different APIs for data migration where you can migrate your data. You have user provisioning, single sign-on. With using single sign-on, you can traverse through different applications, and you have the mail gateways also. And uptime availability of 99.9% means the SLA shows that it offers about 99.9% availability. So a very small means the advantage of Google Mail is actually we can open the mail even with a very low speed connection also, because it is available with a low speed connection also. That's why you can say that in the SLA it shows that it is available up to 99.9%. And advertising optional, you can turn off the advertising on the Google. And also we have a very low annual fee of $50 US dollars per account per year here. And also including these all things, in addition to Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Talk, and Start Pages, it also offers the Google Docs and spreadsheets. Okay, and also it offers Gmail, Google Mail services even for mobile devices on BlackBerry. So at the times, as I just told you, that we used to have the BlackBerry phones. So it offers services for this mobile devices also. And you have the application level controls also allows administrators to adapt services to business policies such as sharing of calendars and documents outside of the company. So what you can do here is you can share your documents, your calendars, even outside the company also. Then we have about the Microsoft. Microsoft offers number of software as service applications. Okay, in number of forms. So one of the form is Microsoft Office Live Small Business. Microsoft Office Live Small Business. It also offers the features including Store Manager and e-commerce tool to help small businesses easily sell products on their own website, on eBay or email marketing beta to make sending email newsletters and promotions simple and affordable. So what you can do here is Live Small Business actually allows you to create your own website to sell your products online. So on either you can sell it on eBay, and you have an email marketing beta where you can send the newsletters about your particular products in a simple and affordable form. Okay. Then here, the small businesses that sign up will receive the set of tools for free. Means if you are signing up with this Microsoft Live Small Business, what you can do here is you can have this different offerings. You can have a web hosting where you can host your web page. You can reach site design capabilities. You can design your site. You have a numerous productivity applications. So a number of applications which are available to us. And we have the contact management software for performing basic CRM, the customer relationship management. So you can maintain the list of contacts of your customers to whom you can send the newsletters regarding your products. And you have custom domain name registration with 100 business email accounts here. Means you can have custom domain name registration. Means you can have your own custom domain name. Like for example, see here, Nane University is actually using this custom domain name aknu.edu.in on Google, and they have provided us their own domain names, means our domain email accounts. Likewise, what you can do here, you can use this Microsoft also to actually create around 100 business email accounts. Okay, this release is up to compatible to Firefox 2 web browser, making the service accessible on both Macs and PCs. So what I can do here is you can access this on both kinds of means on the web browser, the Firefox web browser, both on Macs as well as PCs. And Microsoft actually efforts in this arena are offering their own website to business. Means when they are having their own website to the business, what you can do here is they can design their website and they can sell their products. So they observe that despite customers' growing tendency to search for the products and services online, about half of the small businesses in the United States with fewer than 10 employees don't have the website. Means even the main concept here of providing the website here is what we can say at the bottom line here is even to a small business which is having employees in which we have less than 10 employees, they too can actually build up a website using this Microsoft Live Small Business, and they can sell their products here. So there are a number of features which are actually available to us on this. We have the following features. The store manager is hosted e-commerce service that enable users to easily sell products on their own website and on eBay. So we have a store manager which is a hosted e-commerce service. So where you can sell your products on your own website and also on the eBay. And we have a custom domain name, as I just said, that you can have a custom domain name where you can create the email services. And you can have 100 company accounts with each 5 GB of storage space. Then we have the web design capabilities, including the ability to customize the entire page as well as the header and footer, navigation, page layout, and more. Means you can actually design your own web page here. Then you have the support of Firefox 2.0. Tools and features are not compatible with the Mac. Means you can even have the compatibility with your Mac OS also. And you have a simplified sign-up process, allows small business owners to get started quickly. So you have a very simple sign-up process where you can create your account and you can start using it. Okay. And users do not have to choose the domain name and the sign up or enter their credit card information. Means you need not enter the credit card information or you have to choose the domain name at the beginning. Later on you can do it. And you have a domain flexibility, allows business to obtain their domain name through any provider and redirect it to the Office Live Business. Means you can take the domain name from any other provider and you can direct it to your live business. And you have synchronization with the Microsoft Outlook providers also. Microsoft Office Outlook, which provides customers to access vital business information such as Office Live Business, email contacts, and calendars, both online and offline. Then you have the email marketing beta, enables users to stay connected with the current customers. Means using this email marketing beta version, you can stay connected with your customers. You can send them newsletters, promotions, and updates regularly. Then you have the contact manager, is the foundation of the customer marketing. The improved user interface enable you customers to find and add the contacts more efficiently. The contact manager, where you need to maintain the contacts, your business contacts, so you can maintain them very easily. And you have an ad manager search marketing tool, okay, which is easier to use and allows users to advertise across multiple sites. Means you can advertise about your products on multiple sites, including the Amazon, Live Search, Ask.com, Excite.com, and Lycos.com. Okay, and business applications are included free to all the customers. Two or more, the most popular applications are Team Workspace and Document Manager are automatically provisioned. Means you have the business applications also which are provided free of cost, the Team Workspace and Document Manager, and the customers can activate any of the more than 20 others such as Project Manager. Means you have a number of other applications also, when as and when required you can simply activate them. Then you have the finally other company which is actually providing us this business solution. I mean the software solutions is IBM. The big blue IBM offers a software as solution in the name Blue Cloud. The IBM is providing you the software as solution under the name Blue Cloud. Blue Cloud is a series of cloud computing offerings that will allow corporate data centers to operate more like the internet by enabling computing across distributed, globally accessible fabric of resources rather than on local machines and remote farms. So what you can do here is you can use the infrastructure. You can allow the corporate data centers to operate more like internet. Means you can have our data centers which can act as an internet, which are capable of providing the information, serving the information, because the computing resources are distributed, are globally accessible fabric of resources. You have a number of resources which are accessible here on the local machines and the remote server farms. Okay, so Blue Cloud is an open standard, is based upon the open standards and open source software supported by IBM software, systems, technology, and services. So it is an open standard and open source software supported by your systems, technology, and services. So it is supported by more than 200 IBM internet scale researchers worldwide, and target clients who want to explore an extreme scale of computing infrastructure. Means what does it mean here is who just want to do a thorough research on cloud computing. This IBM is providing a platform where you can actually work with this particular software to do research on the cloud computing. So because of this, what happened here is many universities, corporations, as well as internet-based enterprises and government agencies actually collaborated with IBM. Okay, like the government agency, including the Vietnamese Ministry of Science and Technology. So they actually provide the customers supporting on the systems which are powered with Power and x86 processors. IBM also offers Z mainframe cloud environment in 2008. Means they actually initially provided with the Power and x86 processors, and they also offered systems Z mainframe cloud environment here. And next, we can say that here that the IBM developed this Blue Cloud to help clients to take advantage of cloud computing, including the ability of the cloud applications to integrate with the existing IT infrastructure in a service-oriented architecture-based web services. What you can do here is the clients can take the advantage of this cloud computing by including the ability of the cloud applications to integrate. Means already existing applications can be integrated with this cloud applications, and you can with the existing IT infrastructure. Means you can use existing IT infrastructure using this as OA, the service-oriented architecture-based web services. This Blue Cloud is particularly focused on breakthrough required in IT management simplification to ensure security, privacy, and reliability, as well as high utilization and efficiency. Means what you can do here, because you're using the existing infrastructure, you can have the high utilization of resources, and also it has a particular focus on providing high security and privacy and reliability. And this cloud computing here is targeted for existing workloads and emerging massive scalable data intensive workloads. Means to match up to cope up with the existing scalable means the requirements, you can use this cloud computing solution, and you can do the enough research on this. Okay, so that is about the various company offerings. Next, we need to discuss about the various industries where this cloud computing is used. We can have the health industry, which is discussed here. Okay, then we have the other companies also, the construction company, the retail company, the banking area where the cloud computing is used. We will discuss in brief about this in the next class. Okay, any doubts, Mahesh?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, then see you in the next class. Most probably, if possible, I will take in the afternoon. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I will inform you.